Hey guys, it's me back with another video. I finally have a mic I talk to. I downloaded this app on the App Store and now I can talk. Last video I did was a pack opening and I'm doing another pack opening because I get a lot of coins. I really don't know what to do with them. So I just buy a whole bunch of pro packs and I want to do move challenges. I get the movers packs. I'm gonna start by opening some packs. You can't get many good pulls from here. Best thing you can probably get is 2 golds, 1 pack, and that's probably the best thing. Just to get a whole bunch of silver, kind of you get 2 gold cards, and it's not even high golds, but just for the fun of it. Adam Humphries, probably just gonna call it the gold cards. Chris Moore, punt returner. Don Terrell and one wide receiver there. Marcel Aitman, wide receiver. That's regular gold. Wayne Gallman Jr. and Jamal Agnew. I don't know how to pronounce his name. But that's the tier 2 gold. And then another gold. I'm already on the 14th pack. Now into the movers packs. We got first movers pack. It's a regular movers pack, and you get John Brown. Movers card, and we get no elites here. No elites. One elite, Allen Robinson. Oh, it's a division win pack. Look at the division. Ooh, that's pretty good. Chidobe Awuzie and Justin Coleman. And this is the last one of those, and I have 6 elite. Okay. I have 6 elite movers packs. Safety. John Brown again. James Carpenter. Ooh, Diamond Justin Houston. That's pretty good. I never pulled a diamond out of one of these before. Justin Coleman. And Tashawn Gibson. Continue. So these are all the players that we got. We got a lot of silver players. So we got this Justin Houston diamond card, just a stage 1 diamond. We got some movers, some regular borderline elites. So yeah, this is a pretty good pull. I never pulled this card before. Search an auction. He's going for a decent amount. Alright. Well, I'll post him up for auction. About 75k. Start bid. 125. Okay. Alright. So, I didn't want to come pick it up in the auction block. It's there, but